So, good evening, my dear students. Today, I am going to start your term to syllabus computer science according to CBSE board. So, let's go by the syllabus first. Then we will be go through the detail about this whatever the syllabus is described. Okay. So, let's see the term to CBSE syllabus for computer science. So, in your term to CBSE syllabus, already it is mentioned there that there is the data structure part is there, stack, implementation of stack, then computer networks, computer network and communication concept, then the database fundamental part, and the next one is your combining Python with database. So in your term to syllabus, this chapter we are going to read how the data structure part, how the stack will be implemented, and the second one is computer network concept, third one database concept, then the fourth one how we can connect Python with database. That means whatever the Python programming will run in the okay database will merge with them. Okay. So today we'll start the data structure part. Let's go through that. Okay. So I think everyone clear about that. Okay. So let's start the data structure part. Data structure. So what is data structure? Okay. If we will go the definition, correct definition of data structure, how we can organize our data, manage our data in a proper way by using some concepts. That is the definition of data structure. So what he's telling, the term data structure refers to a data collection with well-defined operation. The term data structure is defined as refers to a data collection, different types of data, collection of different types of data. Okay, with well-defined operation, with well-defined operations. Operation means different operation we can make by using the particular data. By taking the particular data, different operation we can do that. Operation and behavior. Okay, operation and behavior, or or it is called properties. So I think everyone clear that what is data structure? It refers to a collection of different types of data with well-defined operation and behavior, their properties. That is called the definition of data structure. Okay. So, based on the different data concept, they have divided the data structure into two parts. If we'll go their types, one is your linear data structure, second one is your non-linear data structure. So let's see what is the meaning of linear data structure and what is the meaning of non-linear data structure. Linear data structure means the data should be in a particular sequence. The data should be in a particular sequence. There is some sequence we will maintain. Okay, particular sequence or particular order in linear data structure. As the name told is linear. But in non-linear data structure, there is no such sequence. There is the in the hierarchical order or any other order. There is no particular order or particular sequence. I think everyone clear about that. Okay. So now let's go to what is the things or which one is comes under linear data structure, which one is comes under non-linear data structure. Let's see that. First one is your linear data structure. Under linear data structure, stack concept came, stack implementation, queue, also one linear data structure, linked list, also one linear data structure. So these three are comes under the linear data structure part, stack, queue, and linked list. And in the non-linear part, tree and graph. These two comes under the non-linear part, and the stack, queue, and linked list is comes under the linear data structure part. I think everyone clear. So in your syllabus, they have discussed about means clearly about the stack. So now we'll go for the stack. What is the stack? How it is implemented? What is their necessity in the data structure? All the things we'll cover now. So as we know, stack is one which type of data structure, students? Stack is one linear data structure. So linear means it will be follow one sequence. So what is the sequence stack will follow? Stack will follow LIFO sequence. So what is LIFO sequence? Last in, first out. Those elements are entry to the stack to the last. They will become first. That is the sequence of the stack. It is a dynamic linear data structure. Dynamic means when we need any more data to enter, we can increase. When there is less amount of data to enter, we can decrease their size. So according to our requirement, we can increase and we can decrease their size. That's why the stack is called one linear dynamic data structure. So it follow the sequence, LIFO sequence, last in, first out. I think clear everyone. Then just will come 1 minute discussion about queue. Then we'll go for the stack implementation, how it will be implemented. The queue also one linear data structure. It follow FIFO sequence. First in, first out sequence. Those elements are entry to the queue first. That element get out from the uh, queue first. That is called FIFO sequence. Okay, it is also one linear dynamic data structure, and you follow the FIFO sequence and stack follow the FIFO sequence. Now I think everyone clear what I will explain. Okay. Then now we'll go to the implementation of stack. How the stack will be implemented in the data structure part. Stack implementation. Okay. So let's see. Stack is a linear data structure and implemented in LIFO order. Okay. Means where the insertion and deletion are restricted to occur only at the same point. That is called stack top. The first thing we know that in the stack, the insertion and deletion is done under only one point or location, that is called stacks top. The first thing that we can know. In the same point, it will be inserted the data, we will insert the data. On the same point, we will delete the data. Insertion and deletion. Okay. So, data, then we'll read two rule about that. Data only be removed from the top, the element of the top of the stack. So where we will remove the data? Stack top. So the first one will know that the removal of element from stack top is known as pop operation. Pop. In technical data structure term, it is called pop. Second one, the insertion of element to the stack top. Insertion of the element to the stack top is called push in the technical term. I think everyone clear about that. When we are removing any element from the stack, this operation is called pop operation. When we are inserting anything in the stack, that is called push operation in the data structure top. Okay. Now we'll take some number, okay, or element, and we'll do the push and pop operation on the stack. Let's see that. Let's see the push and pop operation on the stack. Push and pop operation on the stack. Okay. So suppose this is the stack. No. Okay. So now there is no element in the stack. The stack is empty now. So everything will do in the stack top. So we'll write top equal to none. No element is there. Then now we'll push one element. Here the stack is empty. In the A part, stack empty. Then second one. In the second one, they push 32. So where it will be, element will be pushed, the stack top here, 32. Now this is the top of the stack. Then in the C, again they push 18. Push 18. So we can see 32 previously there. Now we'll push 18. So where it will be inserted, stack top. Then pop one element in the D, pop one element. So which element will pop now? Last in, first out order. As you know that, who is last in? 18. So now 18 will be popped out. Then again we'll push 29. Push 29. Okay. Now 32 already present in the stack. Again in the stack stop, 29 will be there. Okay. Then again we pop one element. Pop one element. So where it will be popped again? The last in first out sequence. So who is in the last? 29. 29 will be popped out. Then only 32 left now. Yes or no? So in the stack top now, who is left? Only 32. I think clear everyone how the push and pop operation we can do by using the stack. Then we'll see the other stack terms, how it is happening. Other stack terms. So what is the other stack terms? There are different terms like peak. Two terms already we have read. What is that? Push and pop operation. Pop means removal, push means insertion. Now come to peak. What is peak? It refers to inspecting the value at the stack top without removing it. It refers to, peak refers to inspecting the value at the stack top. Okay, without removing it. Without removing the value, we can see how many elements are present under the stack top. That is called peak. Then overflow. Overflow means what? It refers to a situation or error when one tries to push an item in stack that is already full. Already stack is full. Okay. Then anyone wants to enter some data. So there is no space. So it is called overflow. So this situation occurs when the size of the stack is fixed. So where it will be happening, this type of thing, where the size of the stack is fixed. In the dynamic, this case will not happen. But when we'll fix the stack, it can store 5 element or 6 element, then only we can store this much element. Okay, and we cannot grow it further. There is no memory left to accommodate the new item. When the size is fixed at the time, if we enter some data, already stack is full, we want to enter some data, then it is called overflow error. Then come to underflow. I think peak everyone understood. I am erasing this one. I am erasing. Okay. Now come to underflow. What is underflow? It refers to a situation or error when one tries to pop or delete an item from an empty stack. Now the stack is empty. From the empty stack, one is tries to delete some element. Then it is not possible because stack is already empty. Then what if we want to delete? Then what we can delete? Okay. So this situation is called underflow. So these are the situation or terms related to the stack: push, pop, peak, underflow, overflow. I think everyone clear about it. Now we'll see one example. Okay, they will be give some instruction. Based on that, we'll make one stack. So I think everyone understood up to this. Let's see the example. Example. Based on the instruction, we'll do the example. So given a bounded stack of empty exact capacity 4, which is initially empty. Okay. So what he is telling, given a bounded stack of capacity 4, fixed size. It is called fixed size. They have given the capacity is 4. Is initially what? Empty. Okay. Initially now the stack is empty. Now draw a picture of the stack after each of the following steps. So they have given some steps. Based on the step, we'll make the stack. Okay. So let's see the step first. First step, stack is empty. Second step, push A. Okay. So we can do based on that. First step, stack is empty means nothing will be there. Top equal to none, as already we have did. In the second step, what we'll do? Push A. So where it will be pushed in the stack top? Yes or no? Then in the third, push B. Third instruction, it told to push B. So A is already there in the stack. Then in the top, we push B. Then in the fourth, push E. Push E. So already A is there, B is there, then we'll E. Okay. Then fifth, pop. So who will be pop? Tell me who will be popped. Stack top, last in first out order. So E will be popped. Yes or no? So here A, B, now E will be popped. That means E is now removed from the stack in the fifth instruction. Then sixth instruction, again push D. Push D. So now you can see already E is gone. So who is present on the stack? A and B. Then in the stack top, who will be there? D. Okay, sixth instruction, seventh instruction, pop. Again, we will pop one element. So who will be popped? D will be popped. A, V, then third D. So D will be popped now. Then in the eighth instruction, what will be there? Push again E. Again we will push E. A is there, B is there. Then we will push E again. D is removed already. Then in the ninth instruction, let's see what he is telling. Push F. Again we will push F. Okay. So A is there, B is there, E is there, F. Okay. Now you can see we have taken the stack 4 capacity. Now stack is full. Now X push. Okay. They have given in the X element push G. Okay. They have not, suppose push G they have given. So what will happen? Here overflow error will come or not? Because we have taken the stack 4 capacity. Already stack is full and we are again entering the data. So overflow. Then in the 11th, pop. So in the pop means who will be removed? F. So who will be present here? A, B and E. F will be removed in the 11th part. Then in the 12th part again pop. 12th part again pop. So who will be removed? E will be removed. Then in the 13th part again pop. Who will be removed? B. Then in the 14th part again pop. Okay. A will be removed. In the 15th part again pop. So what will happen? Underflow. Okay. It will be called underflow. So I am writing all the instruction again. You just try it. Okay. By watching the video, if you have any doubt, you can ask me in the also comment box. I am writing the instruction again. You just try it for the uh, and make one stack. Okay. I am just writing the instruction. Instruction. I am writing our steps. Steps. Based on the steps, that is your assignment. You will make one stack based on that. So step one, okay, or in the first A, it is asking, but stack is empty. B, push A. C, push B. D, push E. Or C. C, push C. Then E, pop. F, push D. D. G, pop. H, push E. I, push F. J, push G. K, pop. L, again pop. M, again pop. N, again pop. O, Again, so these are the list of steps from A to O. Okay, based on that, you make one stack. Okay, clear? So everyone note it and do that. Then we'll see some uh, means application. Okay, or we'll do the in the next class we'll do the Python program to implement the stack. How we can implement the stack by using the Python programming and their application. Whatever the things we can make by using stack. So up to this much. In the next class we'll meet again. Okay, everyone watch a video. Okay, and give the comment if anything needs to be said or if any doubt. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.